Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So first off, I want to apologize for not updating my channel. This pregnancy has made me so lazy and I just want to sleep and eat all day, and just the thought of even filming made me just like not want to film. Like I didn't even want to set up my lights. But yeah, please forgive me for that, and just know that I'm gonna be back and I'm gonna be filming non-stop. I promise, especially when my little baby gets here. I'm so excited. But today I am going to go through my stuff and I'm gonna pack my hospital bag. So I decided to film this because I'm like, this is my first time doing it. I would love to see what you guys recommend for me to pack, especially those who have had kids before. And I also want you guys to see what I got to put in my hospital bag. So this is not complete because I am just 35 weeks. I'm sure there's going to be more things that I need to add into my bag up until my due date, which is February 15th. So this is just like what I'm packing for now, just in case. So the bag that I have for now is this, is actually a diaper bag. So I'm gonna be purchasing a bigger bag to hold both me and the baby's clothes because I don't want to buy two bags just to bring. So I'm probably gonna put it in this, or I'm going to get just like my carry-on and just put everything in the carry-on. But just please make sure that everything that you're putting into the bag, make sure the bag is clean, make sure the clothes are clean and everything is nice and washed. So I did go through a lot of the baby stuff and I put like a lot of them in his little laundry basket. And I'm just gonna go through some of these things that I have to put in the bag for the baby, and then I'm gonna go through the stuff that I'm bringing for myself. So guys, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I am like, this made me so happy when I was just like washing his clothes and stuff. So what I used to wash his clothes, it should have been the baby one, but I got the all stainless and this is the free clear. So I used this one to wash all of his clothes. It was like half the price of what Dreft was, which was what everyone else was recommending to me. So I just decided to try that one out, and I got good reviews on it. So the first thing that they recommend me packing for the baby are onesies. So I have a whole bunch of onesies because that's basically what he's going to be wearing majority of the time. So they do recommend bringing just like 3 pairs of onesies, but I'm gonna put more than 3 just because you don't know how long you're going to be staying at the hospital depending on what type of delivery you have. Obviously I want to do natural birth, but things happen and I could possibly get a C-section, which makes me stay longer at the hospital. So I'm going to bring him some extra clothes just in case. The next thing they also recommend is bringing like 2 different sizes, like newborn and like a 0 to 3 month, because you don't know how big the baby is going to be. So I got some newborn onesies. They do want me to bring a lot of different colored clothing versus white because they give a lot of white. So I have some newborn onesies right here, just like simple little onesies. His take-home outfit is gonna be this onesie, and this is in the size newborn, and it's very stretchy, very warm. So this onesie paired with these socks and these mittens. And I'm going to try to find a hat for him to go with this outfit. But so far guys, what we have are 4 different pairs of onesies. So we have This one, listen, I'm packing with you guys, so this is not just for video. I'm actually packing. I have this little tiny one, and I think I should actually find another tiny one to bring just in case he is this tiny. This is a size 0 to 3 months, and this is a newborn size. Then I am going to bring this little hat. This can go with like any of these outfits. I'm gonna bring these little bibs. They're little scarves. They're so cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ah! We need pairs of socks, so I'm just gonna put a bunch of socks in there that I got. I know I have a lot of gray and white, but there's like no options for boys, to be honest. So I'm gonna put some of these socks. And what I'm going to do is just put them together. That way I don't lose them again. So these, put them together. These, put them together. So here's 3 pairs of socks. And I'm going to put the mittens together also. So these mittens, and these are in case he scratches himself in the face. Okay guys, so the next thing that you're going to need are washcloths. So I'm not sure how many washcloths you're going to need, but I just washed a few, and these are the 2 patterns that it came in. I didn't want to bring too much because I don't know if I'm going to need them. I saw it on my hospital list, so that's what I'm bringing. So I'm bringing 2 washcloths. I could throw an extra one in there actually, so I'm gonna throw another blue one in there just because I don't want them to get mixed up with the hospital laundry, because all of their stuff is white, so everything they wash is white, and I don't want them to take my baby stuff. So yeah. Alright, so the next thing that you will need is obviously the car seat. Make sure your car seat is installed and ready for the baby. My car seat isn't, so I'm actually gonna do that this week and go to like I think the police station and the fire station does like the check to make sure it's like safely secured into the car. So I'm gonna do that. I also washed his little receiving blankets. I got a yellow one, a green and white one, and a gray one. So I'm bringing 3 of these. So I'm kind of bringing everything in 3 because in 3s just because I might be just staying there for 3 days. You could bring formula. You could bring an option of formula if you want. If you don't plan on breastfeeding and you know for sure you do not want to breastfeed, you can bring your own formula. And you can also bring the bottles, the baby bottles. I do have a baby bottle that I can just throw in the bag just in case. And obviously your breast pump. I'm gonna bring a bib. This says I have the best mommy. So I'm just gonna bring 1 bib. There's more than 1 bibs, aren't there? I think I have more than 1. Probably throw an extra one in there, but for now I'm just gonna bring this one for my little pumpkin because it's like the perfect thing to say. Oh my god. So the next thing that I have to wash actually are these hooded towels. I got this from my registry. I think it's from Natasha, so shout out to you. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna actually just wash this, probably 1 or 2 of them. I'm gonna wash all of them and then put like 1 or 2 into the bag because they're hooded towels and they'll be perfect to go in the bag. So now on to what I'm packing for myself. It's like little things that you think you won't need, you're going to need. So obviously you're gonna want to pack all your toiletries, like your shampoo, your conditioner, face wash, toothpaste, toothbrush, all of that. So I'm gonna put all of that in there last minute because I need to get some little travel size ones or something. So that's what I'm doing last minute. I did pick up some postpartum underwear. I don't know if this is necessary, but I heard that it's very comfortable. So I got these from the motherhood store, and this is a size small. They're very stretchy and the quality of the material is amazing. So this is a size small because you know that you are going to be bleeding for quite some time, so it's very important to have some comfortable underwears. So this is just the postpartum one. For regular type of underwears, I went to Walmart actually, and I got these loose undies. They're very stretchy, but the band looks like it can hold like your pad in because you're gonna be using a pad. So I got ones like that, and I just need to wash these. But I got a whole pack of these just because I don't know how many that I'm going to be needing. So those are all my underwears. I did get some bras. It's not this one, but I got like some from Walmart. They're like sports type bras, but they seem way more comfortable than the nursing bra. I have a nursing bra and I wear it quite a lot, but I feel like the one that you pull up is more comfortable. You can just pop your boob out, pop it back in, you know, call it a day. So the next thing that I'm bringing are nightgowns. So I got this really comfortable nightgown. Where did I get it? I think I got this in TJ Maxx. So these sleep clothes, I did wash it with the same detergent I used with the baby just because he is going to be on me a lot. So I got this, and this is a size small, but I also wanted something loose enough that I feel very comfortable and free. So the material is super soft and comfy. So I am bringing that. I got this piece from Forever 21, and it's like a robe. It's like a nightgown slash robe. So it looks like that. So those two nightgowns are going to be super comfortable for me to wear in the hospital and when I get home. The next thing I am bringing are just some t-shirts. I got these from Walmart because they were just $4 and they look super comfortable. So these are in a size small again, but they run big. So I wanted to get two big t-shirts that I can probably wear home or wear in the hospital. I got it in a peach color, a gray color, and I do have a white color somewhere. The next thing I am bringing and that I wear all the time are my postpartum leggings. I got these from the motherhood store. The best investment ever. Like, they're so comfortable and it comfortably covers my bump and everything. So I know for sure that I won't mind wearing these, and I'll probably bring a pair of like sweatpants or PJ shorts just to wear in the hospital or when I get home. The next thing I'm putting in is these washable nursing pads. I don't know if I'm going to use them. I don't know how to use them. Never used them before. But I have these, and I also got the disposable ones. So I might pack these. The next thing I forgot to mention about my baby stuff is that I'm going to put some newborn diapers in there and some wipes. So I'm going to bring his wipes and diapers, and I'm sure I'm going to get them at the hospital, but I want to bring some of the ones here because I have like the Pampers Swaddlers, the little sensitive ones, the pure ones. I love them. They look cute. So I'm going to bring some of those. But for now, they're just in boxes and I need to put them out. You know what I mean? So I have time to pull these things out. I just need to pull them out and put them in the actual bag. What I am bringing for myself, obviously you need to bring your cameras, your camera batteries, like headphones, music. If you need like your essential oils to calm you down, you can bring those. And insurance papers are very important to bring for both you and the baby, so make sure you pack your insurance papers. You need lip balm. They were like stressing how important that is because your lips are gonna get like super dry. So lip balms, water, juice, tissue, towels. So I'm gonna pack all of that, and bring your own pillowcase. And if the pillow, like they recommend bringing colored pillowcase because they use white and they don't want to mix yours up with theirs. So pillowcase and socks. So I need to buy socks. And the next thing that I do need to work on is my birth plan. I'm not sure if it's mandatory, I don't think it is, but it's if you have a certain preferences that you want everyone to stick to, like definitely write your make your birth plan and bring it in to the hospital and post it there that they can see what you need exactly, or what you want, or what you wish for, because it doesn't always go as planned. But just making sure that that's there is very important. Obviously make sure your husband or your boyfriend or whoever is going to be in the hospital with you, make sure that they also have their stuff packed, like sweatpants, jackets, cameras, you know, stuff for them to be comfortable, because they are going to be there with you. So you want them to be comfortable also. So yeah, that's what I have for now. And please put recommendations down if I'm putting something wrong in there, if I'm putting too much, or things that helped you out when you were having your baby. Please put them down in the comments below, because it will help me out a lot. I'm a first-time mom, so this is going to be like all new to me. So guys, I'm going to show you guys my bump. I haven't been on here to even show you my bump, so I'm going to show you how much my baby has grown. He's getting so big. He's getting huge. Okay guys, so that's really all I'm putting in my hospital bag for now, and obviously it's going to be updated. I will probably post vlogs until I give birth, because this is like a lot for me. So I'll probably just do vlogs. It'll probably be easier. I'm not sure. If it's not, then I'll try to do another video before I give birth. And I want to do a labor video. I don't know how that's gonna work out. But yeah, I am super excited. I'm so excited you guys can like join me and be here with me through this process. Thank you guys so much for all the kind comments that you always leave, and for all my new subscribers, thank you for joining my little family here on YouTube. And I will try to do an update on my last month of pregnancy. I am in my 8th month right now, about to be my 9th month, and I couldn't be more happier and grateful that I made it this far. And it's not as bad as I've heard. A lot of people have had really bad experiences, and I'm super grateful that mine was not that bad. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye.